Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting and incredibly useful. Essential Urdu phrases for new learners. Whether you're planning a trip to Pakistan, making new friends, or just exploring a new language, we've got you covered with the most essential phrases to get you started. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's start with greetings and polite expressions. In Urdu, greeting someone with a smile can go a long way. To say hello, you say Assalamu alaikum. Repeat after me, Assalamu alaikum. And to respond, you say Wa alaikum assalam. Let's try it together. Wa alaikum assalam. To say thank you, you say Shukriya. Easy, right? Let's say it together, Shukriya. And if you want to be extra polite, you can say Bohat Shukriya, which means thank you very much. Repeat after me, Bohat Shukriya. Next, let's learn some basic conversation starters. Asking someone how they are is a great way to begin a conversation. To ask, how are you, you say Aap kaise hain for males or Aap kaise hain for females. Repeat after me, Aap kaise hain, Aap kaise hain. And to respond, you can say Main tikun, which means I am fine. Let's say it together, Main tikun. Now let's learn some useful daily phrases. When you're out and about, these will definitely come in handy. To say please, you use Meherbani se. Repeat after me, Meherbani se. And to say excuse me, you say Maaf kijiye. Let's try it. Maaf kijiye. For yes and no, it's Jihan and Ji nahi. Easy to remember, right? Repeat after me. Jihan, Ji nahi. Understanding numbers and time is crucial, especially when you're traveling. Let's go through the basics. To say 1 to 5, you say 8 do teen char panch. Let's count together. 8 do teen char panch. And to ask for the time, you say Kya waqt hai. Repeat after me. Kya waqt hai. Finally, let's learn how to say goodbye. You can say Khuda Hafiz, which means goodbye. Repeat after me, Khuda Hafiz. And that's it. You've just learned some essential Urdu phrases that will help you connect and communicate with Urdu speakers. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking like a pro in no time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and informative language lessons. Khuda Hafiz. Until next time, happy learning. Khuda Hafiz.